In this video, we're going to take a quick look at some of the ways you can edit or alter your graphs on Desmos. So I'm going to demonstrate with a simple graph. We'll just do y equals negative 2x plus 5. Okay, and so we've got that line graphed over there. So first thing I want to show you is if you click on the little icon to the left, you can turn the visibility on and off. So if I click that, you'll notice that I end up with the circle there and the line is no longer visible on the grid. So this is great if you want to not see a line, but you don't necessarily want to delete it off of the screen because you might want it back, especially if it's something that's very complicated. If it's not a line, it's some like ugly thing. So you can turn the visibility on and off. Now, the next thing you can do with them is if you click your little gear up there. Okay, now there's some other icons here that we can talk about in another video, but if you come over here and click on the black circle, it's going to give you options to edit what that line looks like. So one of the things you can do is change how opaque the line is. So it was set at 1, but maybe I don't want it as bold as 1, maybe just 0.5. And you can notice that that made the line a little bit more transparent. If I do a 0.1, you can get like a very faint line. So you can change how opaque it is from 0 to 1. You can also change the thickness of the line. So that was set to 2.5. If I make it 5, you can see that I make the line a lot thicker. I can make it 10. So you can go ahead and change the thickness of the line as well. And then down here, you can change the color of the line. So sometimes, especially if you're doing inequalities, maybe like the black is just a little bit too dark. You can't see the region of overlap. You want to control the colors. So I can change it to blue or red and green and so forth. And there's actually more color options than that, but that is for a future video. You can also change the kind of line it is. So you can go with a solid line or a dashed line or a dotted line. This might be great if you are putting an asymptote in, or maybe an axis of symmetry in a parabola, and you want to make the axis of symmetry look different from the actual parabola. So you can go in, change the color, and then change the kind of line that it is. So that's just a couple of options in Desmos for changing the appearance of your graphs.